y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and to hit that bell so you will know when I will be posting new videos. So that way you can become a part of my beautiful sunshine gang. And for those who are returning, welcome, welcome, welcome back. And y'all, today I am doing a collaboration with FoolishMe Makeup. And we are doing like a natural makeup look today. And just to let y'all know a few things about her channel. First of all, she's my cousin. She is the city cousin, and I am the country cousin. As a matter of fun fact, if y'all want to know, her and my mama, they have the same name. So it's kind of weird saying her name because it's kind of like saying my mama name. But her name is Margaret, and she does makeup. She does hauls. And she do like a lot of fun stuff over there on her channel. So y'all be sure to go and check her out so y'all won't miss out on her video. And when y'all get done watching mine, y'all be sure to head on over there to her channel and show her some love. And y'all, I'm going to let y'all know that I already have primed my face. If y'all want to know what type of primer that I was using, I actually got this primer from the stuff that I had ordered from Ulta. It was in like a simple packet, and I just wanted to try it to see how it feels on my skin. It is a VDL primer. And it just has like the basic instructions. You just put it all over your face before you apply your foundation. And this is how it looks. I'm pretty sure this is like a hot end type of primer. So y'all let me know if y'all have ever heard of this primer before in the comment section. But as far as I can tell, it is very smooth to my skin. I'm gonna let y'all know this is how it looks when it comes out. So it's still a good bit. I guess I'll just put this on my face too. It smells very good too, and it is very, very smooth to my skin. It's kind of giving me that glowy type of look, and that is fine because I am going for like a natural look today. So yeah, I don't mind to do it look because, and plus I do have oily skin. I know like you know, if you have oily skin, you should go for like a more matte look, but you know, I want to go for like a more natural dewy look today. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I already did my eyebrows off camera, and I also tried something else new. This clear brow and lash mascara from elf. So if y'all want to run my eyebrows kind of on fleek today, this is what I used so I can step my eyebrow game up, y'all. What I did was I applied the clear brow, the clear mascara to my eyebrow before I done my eyebrows. And y'all know this is the eyebrow pencil that I use from Color Mates, and I got this from Dollar Tree. And just to let y'all, one other thing to let y'all know, this is going to be like a very, very affordable makeup look that y'all can do today. And the eyeshadow palette that I'm using is from LA Colors. It's the LA Colors eyeshadow nude palette. And it's just a 12 color eyeshadow palette, and it's in the style trendy or the color trendy. If you know, that's how you say it, but it says trendy on the back, so I'm assuming that is what the palette is called. And these are the 3 colors right here that I'll be using these 3 colors right here. And as y'all can see, I already done this side off camera, and y'all can just see me do this side now. Oh, y'all, let's take a moment to appreciate the silence in the background, because my kids are in the bed sleep, and I don't have to hear mama this, mama that, mama can I do this, mama can I do that. And then my little girl, oh mama, your makeup is so pretty. I mean, I don't mind hearing it, but I'm so glad that I can do this in silence so I can concentrate. That's what I'm happy about. Oh, and I also use this setting powder from Shop Miss A. I'm pretty sure y'all seen me use this in another video. And it's the banana setting powder. And let's get started. Y'all, I don't know what happened. I was recording and all of a sudden, like, it just kicked me out. I don't know why I did that. I was having a good conversation too with y'all. Oh man. Like, I was just talking to y'all, minding my business. This thing I know, the app just kicked me out. Ain't never done that before. I don't know why it's doing it now. Another thing I gotta work on is give me some storage space for my phone. I wish I could find like a really good app, like a storage cleaner app. But the only apps that I've been finding is that it like clear out photos and stuff like that. And that's not the kind of app I'm looking for. I'm looking for the kind of app that would clear like storage space from my phone and not just the photos. That was a good thing about Android. My iPhone has good camera quality, but Android has like more features on their phone. It's like a give or take situation. Oh, and this is the Wet n Wild contour stick that I'm using. I want to learn how to get my nose matched. They be having like their nose like, but I can't get my nose to be like that. I'm gonna learn one of these days though. Get the nose matched. I think the last thing I'm gonna do, I am gonna apply my highlight and my lippy. I'm probably just gonna do that off camera because I don't want my phone to keep me out again. I don't want that to happen. Then I'll just be recording all that for nothing, and then y'all won't even get to see it. I just want to let y'all know this one thing. I am going to come back on here with my TWA. I like kind of styled it today. I'm going to let y'all see what I did. For those in the natural hair community, you know what I'm talking about. I gotta whip my sponge some more. There you go. I kind of like how my skin has this like glowy look to it. I like that. And for once, it's not the oil, it's the primer that's doing that. Because y'all know I have oily skin. Gonna use a little bit. I know it's bronzer, but I like to use it for highlight. Let me know in the comments if anybody else use bronzer for highlight. Do y'all use bronzer for highlight? Let me know. Only thing I gotta do. Okay, y'all, and I'm also gonna be using these lashes from LA Colors. They're in the style Diva, and I have worn these on my channel before too in my previous video. So I'm gonna do my lashes, put my earrings on, get all cute for y'all, and then I will be back. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look right here. Let me know what y'all think about it in the comment section below. And just to let y'all know, I use the same foundation that I always use, but I'm gonna be switching foundations pretty soon. And I do realize that I need to try like a different brand of concealer, because like when I look real close at it, it does crease. So it's gonna be time for me to be switching out another foundation too. But let me know what y'all think about this everyday type of look right here. Let me know what y'all think about my TWA. Y'all, it's finally like growing out, so I can do something to it now. So let me know if y'all would like to know what I did to like give my course some more definition. And this right here are the lips that I use. This is my, I done had this lip gloss for I don't know how long, but this is the lip gloss that I use. I actually got this from Dollar Tree. And this right here, this lipstick right here is in the style Pinkaboo. I use this right here. So it was kind of going for like a new eyeshadow look with a pink lippy and like a natural face. You know, this is something that anybody could do, you know, if you're new to makeup or if you're just now getting into makeup. You know, you can do this look right here. Something simple and easy. And like I said, y'all, sorry that my phone cut off when I was doing my whole foundation routine. Like, it just cut off. I was literally having like a whole conversation with y'all. I was telling y'all about the backdrop I was gonna get. Well, while we're at the end of this video, I might as well tell y'all, actually, when me and my cousin, when we was talking about doing our collaboration, she was actually telling me that you can go to Walmart in like the arts and craft department, you know, where they got like the fabric and all that. You can go there and you can like get a backdrop. I was like, okay, that's what I'm gonna do, you know, and nothing like being creative and saving money at the same time. But I don't have a creative bone in my body, so let's just hope and pray whenever I do go and like find a backdrop that I will be able to do something with it, and then y'all don't have to keep on looking at this plant over here. But hey, it's better than looking at this white wall back here. And don't forget to check out FoolishMe Makeup video. I will leave hers in the description box below. Tell her that I sent you. Tell her that August sent you over there. And that is it for right now. And I will see y'all in my next video. But y'all feel so cute. I feel so cute. Like, I really like how my, you know what the good thing about being natural is? I'm gonna point this thing out. Like, I know for me, like when I first wash my hair, like, and I don't have no product in my hair, and then when I do style it, it be popping. Like on the first day, it be popping. Like my curls be popping. Like my hair wanna act right. It wanna come through for me and everything. But it's like the first time when I did this, y'all, it was real good. Then I redone it a second time, you know, for y'all, so y'all can see. You know, what I did, if y'all don't know by now, y'all probably do, I just had a sponge and I just did like this. I just did circular motions with my hair like that. And that's how I was able to create this look right here. And I know one of these days I'm gonna have to go through like the awkward growth stage. So I don't know, y'all gonna be seeing too much on my hair when it gets like that. But I have been natural since 2015, but this is like my first actual big chop on YouTube. But we will get more into that in another video, and I do have more videos coming up for y'all, and I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.